Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on your eyes, this guide will walk you through the available options step by step. Let's get started. First, open foobar2000 on your computer. By default, foobar2000 may use a light theme depending on your Windows settings and the version you're using. To check the available appearance options, click *** file at the top of the window and then select **preferences**. In the Preferences window, expand the **display** section and explore options such as *** default, user interface *** or colors and fonts **, depending on your version of foobar2000. If your version supports dark appearance settings, select the **dark** theme or enable the dark interface option, then click **apply* and OK**. If you don't see a built-in dark mode option, don't worry. You can still customize the appearance by changing the color scheme manually or by installing a dark theme component from the official foobar2000 components website. After installing a compatible theme or component, restart foobar2000 if prompted. Once the program reopens, the new dark appearance should be applied. You can further customize the interface by adjusting text colors, background colors, playlist appearance, and fonts from the display settings to create a look that matches your preference. Keep in mind that available customization options may vary depending on the version of foobar2000 and the components you have installed. And that's how you enable or customize dark mode in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.